Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark something as sold on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. Now once you're in the home page, click on the account icon at the top right corner to proceed with logging into your account using your credentials, and you will end up in this page. Now since you will directly end up in the postings page after you log in, you will be able to see all of your posts or advertisements that you have set. Now within the active sections, you will see those advertisements that are actively shown. However, you will find that there is no option to mark them as sold. If you click on the display button, you will be able to see various options, and you can also see the advertisement itself, but you cannot find any option to mark it as sold. So in order to mark it as sold, the only option is to click on edit this posting from within the post, or you can also click on the edit button alongside the delete button. Now once you're inside the edit post button, you can simply click on edit, and alongside your posting title, you can simply mark it as sold manually. After doing so, you can simply click on the continue button and your changes will be saved. And there you have it. That is how you can mark an item as sold on the Craigslist website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.